Hey, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp notification sound on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can actually go ahead and like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new to the YouTube channel, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you can do to fix them, and the first thing is go over to WhatsApp, click on settings right here. From there you want to navigate to notifications, and from notifications you want to make sure first that show notifications is on, just like this, and then sound is on, not on none. If it's on none right here, you won't get any sound. You want to have it on note. This is the first thing. The next thing is actually going to your settings on your iPhone, pretty much the same thing on an Android device. Go to WhatsApp, here it is, click on notifications, and you want to make sure you are allowing notifications with sounds just like this is enabled. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you next one. Bye.